Daisy girl. Hope you all are doing good and I'm fine. So this video is about the difference between the fresh cream and the whipping cream. So let's not wait, move on to the video. But before starting the video, I just wanted to tell you something, that in this video I'm going to speak in English just because all the subscribers are from various regions, and of course I'm getting the messages from them that if I speak in Telugu they are unable to understand, especially for the informative videos. So they are unable to understand though I put the subtitles. So that is the reason I thought this video I'll make in English so everybody can able to understand. So let's not wait, move on to the video. So here is the fresh cream I have, which is of Amul brand, and usually I get Amul only here, and of course there might be some other brands too in fresh cream, but I'm not aware of the brand names. But Amul is the most preferable brand that everybody will use, and this fresh cream can be used for biryani purpose, salads purpose, and also ice cream making, and also chocolate melting purpose too. And mostly like caramelized chocolates, caramel toffee, which is already there in our channel. I'll give the link in the description box. If anybody of you has not seen, you can go through that. So in that I have already told you that I am using the whipping cream on that video instead of fresh cream, just because I don't have fresh cream. So wherever the whipping cream is not there, you can go with the fresh creams, especially for the desserts purpose only. So this fresh cream is a dairy product and it contains no sugar, so you have to add the sugar for this. But I suggest if you use a fresh cream, just go with the condensed milk only, because the texture and the soothiness and the taste which comes when you use condensed milk, you will not get from the sugar powder or icing sugar and all. And in case if you don't have condensed milk, you can go with the sugar powder too, but you make that sugar powder too fine, and if not, you can sieve the powder and then you can add in the fresh cream. As I said, chocolate purpose like Chocobar ice creams and all is there, right? So for that also you can use this fresh cream. And this fresh cream is the product of Tetra packet, and you can store it for 120 days without the refrigerator. But after opening the packet, it would be written that only for the 2 days you can use it. But I have not used more than 2 days, and I asked my cousin, she told that you can store it for 5 days. And coming to the whipping cream, again I have Star brand here, which I generally prefer, and of course I get the Star brand only here. There might be some other brands, but I'm not aware of those brands. So this whipping cream can be called as thickened cream too. And again in whipping cream you will be having two types. One is whipped, another one is whipping cream. Whipped cream is the one, it's already whipped, it is a ready made, you can directly bring from the shop and you do the icing or frosting for the cake, whatever you call the designs and all, you can directly make without whipping. And whipping cream is the one you have to whip until stiff peaks, which I have already shown in our videos, like in cake making and also in ice cream making process. So whipping cream is a non-dairy product and it is made from soya, and its life is also more, it will not expire so soon. You can take the amount of the cream which you require for frosting or icing, whatever it is, and you can restore it in the refrigerator, in seal it properly, or in a airtight container. You can store this in the deep freezer. You have to store it in the deep freezer only, not in the normal freezer. So if you don't have whipping cream, as a substitute you can use fresh cream by adding the condensed milk or sugar, since it contains no sugar. But fresh cream, wherever you use fresh cream, you cannot use a substitute for this whipping cream, just because whipping cream is a non-dairy product and it contains enough sugar. If don't ever do that, don't ever try to add whipping cream in curries and all. That completely spoils the taste of the curry and all. So this is the difference between the fresh cream and the whipping cream. Hope this information will be useful to you. The reason behind I have made this video is that I usually have this doubt earlier, and I asked my cousin too and searched in Google, and then I tried more recipes in these two, and I come to know a few things from these two. So I thought I'll share to you. If anybody of you were very new to the baking, or if you want to know what exactly the fresh cream, what exactly whipping cream is, and this is about the fresh cream and the whipping cream. Hope this video is useful to you, and please do let me know in the comment section if you have any more further doubts. And yes, ending with this video. And before ending the video, if anybody were new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit on the bell icon to get my further notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. See you soon. Bye bye.